Hi everyone! This video will go over the library skills tutorials on the library website. If you've previously been a student at SCC, you may remember the library tutorials in D2L. These new tutorials are going to replace the old D2L ones. To begin, click on Tutorials on the side menu of the library's homepage. Next, click the option on the side menu for Library Skills Tutorials. It should be pretty close to the top. You will then be taken to a page with a list of classes that have tutorials. Choose your class. For example, I'm going to choose English 101. Once I select my class, I will see the list of the tutorials for my class. You should follow your instructor's directions regarding which tutorials to complete and when, because some instructors like to spread them out across the semester. To begin, I will choose the tutorial that I want to complete. I am going to do the research process tutorial. I do want to mention that these tutorials work best using a computer, the Google Chrome browser. The tutorial must be completed in one sitting, so you can't save your progress. Make sure you block out enough time to complete the tutorial, about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll fill in my name, my email, my class, and my instructor's name. Then I'll click Next Slide. The tutorials have a variety of activities, including videos, downloadable handouts, and other interactive content. Read the information on the side of your screen, and then take a look on what's on the right side. For example, here's a video introducing me to the research process. If you would like to go back in the tutorial, hit the previous slide button. Sometimes you will be asked to click on something, like you see here. Other times, you might be asked to answer a quick question or to practice something that you've just learned. The final part of the tutorial will be the quiz. Once again, add your name, your email, your course, and your instructor. Then answer the questions in the quiz to the best of your ability. When you are finished with your quiz, hit Submit. Finally, you'll be taken to your certificate where you can see your final grade. Depending on your instructor's directions, you can either email, print, or save a PDF of your certificate. If you do choose email, keep in mind that this option will disappear within 5 minutes of completing your quiz. If you're unhappy with your score, you can click the Retake this tutorial button to start the tutorial over and to get a better score. If you have any questions about the tutorials, please feel free to reach out to the library using Ask a Librarian.